Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the incredible features of the Shark AV2501AE AI robot vacuum. A powerhouse designed to tackle even the toughest messes in your home with its incredible suction power. This innovative vacuum is perfect for pet owners, thanks to its self-cleaning brush roll and HEPA filtration system that captures 99.97% of dust and allergens, ensuring a cleaner, healthier living space. Equipped with matrix clean navigation, it cleans in a precise matrix grid, making multiple passes over dirt and debris for comprehensive coverage, while its 360 degrees lidar vision provides precision home mapping to detect and avoid obstacles. With a bagless, self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris, this vacuum offers the ultimate convenience, and its extended 120-minute runtime with recharge and resume ensures your entire home gets the attention it deserves. Hands-free control is a breeze with compatibility for Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to set cleaning schedules or initiate on-demand cleaning with just your voice. Built, tested, and perfected by Shark, this robot vacuum promises reliable, high-quality performance, making it an essential addition to any household. Included in the package are the Shark AI Ultra Robot, an XL HEPA self-empty base, and 2 side brushes, providing everything you need for a seamless cleaning experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.